Hey everybody, I stand outside here, proven a moron, on 3rd Street and 1st Avenue in front of Popeye's Chicken. This is the place that actually sparked the Rossman Realty series in 2019. So this place over here was very, very, very adamant that it was worth $18,000. The market rate of this little dump on 1st Avenue is $18,000. Maybe he would consider giving us to $15,000 if we paid maybe $13 or $14 the first year. Because in a few days, this place was going to become a Popeyes that would pay the full amount of rent. That was 2 months ago. Steve, what offer would you place now?
I'll give you $5.
Hi, what offer would you place?
I'll give you 1 cent.
I won't give you jack shit.
That's it for today.
And as always, have a great day. You got the catchphrase wrong.
I hope you learned something. Oh shit.
One of the first landlords that I saw to speak about a space with when we were just kind of exploring the idea of moving into a space that was bigger was a landlord for this building. We met him through a person from who was a realtor next door, and he was 100%. It was weird because we made an offer of like $9,500 or so, and he entertained our offer, but he was literally there to laugh at it. He actually laughed the entire time that we were speaking to him, saying, you know, why would we even remotely entertain this? This is a joke, blah blah blah. You guys have a dream. I can't believe you're just wasting my time with your dream. And it's just, why did you even have us come here to begin with? Because the space was in pretty bad disrepair, and he wanted something around 18 to 19,000. He's like, maybe we could consider 14K, but you got to get yourself up to that 19K soon. And when we revisited this place I revisited all the places, there was only like 1 or 2 of them that was actually rented out. And when we saw this one, Erica said, look, there is actually a Popeyes. And I went up there and it's like,
that is a Popeye.
it's a closed Popeyes. Where are the customers? Where's the chicken? Where's the customers? Where's the chicken? You know, you say you're opening a Popeyes. I'm not gonna believe it until I fucking see it. And fuck me, I was 110% wrong. This is actually open. And maybe I'm a trash business person. I don't fucking get it. $6 for a box of chicken. How are you paying $19,000 in rent? You don't even have indoor dining. So you're paying $19,000 in rent on a space that's about 12 or 1,300 square feet, according to the Bosch, selling chicken. Not expensive chicken, because if it was expensive chicken, I would get it. We're talking here $3.99 for a chicken sandwich. Fuck, this $3.99 for a chicken sandwich, and you're paying $19,000. $2.49 for nuggets, and you're paying $19,000 in rent. I don't get this. I don't get it. Like, I'll admit it. Fine, whatever, fuck it. I'm a shitty business person. I don't understand how to make money. I don't understand how to do business. Cool. I cave. I admit it. I suck. These people are clearly better than me. But that's about it. I'll see you all in the next video. There is indeed a Popeyes here, and I was indeed wrong and a moron. So I'll say it. Listen, yeah. Hey, the landlord was right. The landlord was right. There is someone in this world that will pay $19,000 to sell $3 chicken out of this place in the middle of a pandemic where you can't even have indoor dining. And they're here. I'll see you in the next video.